Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and on this show, I'm going to be giving you a heads up as to how the stock markets have opened, as well as what kind of a trade can you really expect in today's trading session. Well, after 3 days of consecutive strong move on the indices, we have seen a very flattish to a muted start on the Indian markets today on the back of mixed global cues that we've been witnessing. Of course, the global markets in fact edged higher on the back of strong tech companies results that were coming in. We saw the likes of Google shares really hitting upper circuit, adding about 13 lakh crore rupees to its market cap just in a single day overnight. And apart from that, if you see, a whole host of focus is also on how the crude oil prices are moving, which are still elevated and near the $90 a barrel mark. The gold prices also still remain near the $1,800 per ounce mark as well. And this is on the back of the disappointing US jobs data that has still come in, not really helping the market sentiment, and the gold prices have not really inched anywhere. They are flattish as well, but back at home, if you see, the stock markets did open on a flat to a negative bias note. At the open, the Sensex was down 77 odd points. It opened at 59,480. Nifty was down by almost 18 points or 0.1% and opened at 17,761. Now, most of the experts who we've been talking to on the technical front do believe that the Nifty will stay in the range of 17,680, which is a crucial support level. And 17,900 will be the immediate resistance that one has to take note of. Talk about the bank Nifty as well. Experts believe that in case you need to trade on the bank Nifty, you must remember that 38,700 is your immediate support, and the resistance would be placed at 39,900 respectively. So these broad range points for the Nifty and Nifty Bank for all the traders who want to trade the index today. Apart from that, a whole host of focus is on specific stocks and sectors as well. Among sectors, there's selling being seen on the IT space. There's clear profit booking taking place right here. Power and capital goods, which were the winners yesterday, are seeing some money taken off the table, while some of the buying is being seen in the auto, realty, and PSU banking names today. In on specific stocks front as well, if you talk 17, ITC and Titan. These are in focus right ahead of its earnings as well. You see Tata Consumer Products, that's the top Nifty gainer as of now. Titan is also one of the top gainers. IOC, Asian Paints, Bajaj Auto, these are the top Nifty gainers right in the initial trading action. On the other hand, losers include names like NTPC, Tata Steel, IndusInd Bank, Tech Mahindra, and also Wipro, which are kind of lagging behind in the initial trading action. Of course, just like I told you, that results will be an important factor to track. Some of the companies which have already reported their earnings, their stocks will be in focus today. You may see some kind of volatile moves right here. Keep an eye out on them. Z Entertainment, poor set of numbers coming in, lower consolidated profit at 298 crore rupees as against 398 crore rupees in Q3 FY21. Revenue slipped at 2130 crore rupees. When you compare it on a year-on-year basis, it's down from 2756 crore rupees. So sharp decline on the revenue front as well. Tata Consumer Products, definitely the top Nifty gainer, and on the back of strong results being reported. Higher consolidated profit reported by the company of 265 odd crore rupees in Q3 as against 218 odd crore rupees. So a jump right there. Revenue also sharply surged from 3,069 crore rupees in the same quarter of last year to now 3,288 crore rupees, and this is on the revenue front for Tata Consumer. AGS Transact is in focus, and that made a recent debut on the stock markets, and it made actually a muted debut on street. But right after that, yesterday it was showing some kind of a positive move on the upside, and the reason behind that is that Plutus Wealth Management LLP has acquired shares in the company at 160 rupees, and a bulk deal has happened thereof. IIFL Wealth Management also reported earnings, and the company has reported higher profit at 155 crore rupees as against 97 crores. The revenue has jumped from 239 crores to 378 crore rupees. Again, like I told you, a whole lot of focus will be on the earnings that will be reported today. Big companies from the FMCG pack. It's the biggest company, ITC, reporting earnings apart from HUL. It has already come out. So ITC will be in focus today. The stock was in focus throughout the budget time because it rose about 3%. There was no mention of the tobacco tax. So the stock has been in context before the results. Already seen some pick up in the stock. Titan is also going to be in focus because the results will come out today. GAIL, Lupin, AB Capital, Adani Power, Godrej Properties, HCC, JK Tire, PI Industries, Torrent Power, Radico Khatan, and also Wellspin India will be other companies that will be in focus right now. We'll keep you posted with all the developments in the world of business and stock markets. So do stay tuned on to Business Today, and you can subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any video that we put out for you, and that will be from interesting world of stock markets and also business as well. Thanks a lot for tuning in for now.